Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Siri and today my dad cut my hair. This is actually the second time during quarantine that I got a haircut from my dad. The first time was in April and I was kind of nervous about it, so we didn't cut off a ton, but my dad just gave me some layers and it turned out pretty well. So 7 months later, I was ready to try it again, but I wanted a bigger change. So we actually cut off a lot more of the length and I really like the way that it turned out. I haven't had it this short in a while, but it feels super healthy and fresh. And I'm excited to try out new hairstyles with this length. The first time that we cut my hair, I just sat there, we followed a YouTube tutorial and my dad just went to town. This time we kind of wanted to experiment, so my dad helped hold my hair out and then I cut parts of it just to show him the length that I wanted, and then my dad followed that guide throughout the rest of my hair where I couldn't reach. So teamwork makes the dream work. I think it turned out pretty well. I know a lot of us have been needing or wanting haircuts and it's kind of hard to go out and get that done because of coronavirus, so I think that you should totally try to do it yourself at home. It's not hard at all. Just follow a YouTube tutorial. I will link the videos that I used for inspiration down below if you want to follow along with that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep on watching to see how we cut my hair.
see?
Thank you.
Came out so professionally. Oh my goodness.
Thanks so much for checking out my video today. I hope you liked my transformation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!